Hello everyone, Miss V here with another haul. Today's haul is from Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. And a lot of times people are leery or they sleep on Facebook Marketplace. However, I can say that I have had much success with shopping on Facebook Marketplace as well as selling. Every now and then, I may get someone that I'm leery about, but I follow my intuition. I either block them or, not respond or take the item down when they start asking for like your phone numbers and just different things that I know they shouldn't be asking for on Facebook Marketplace. So today's haul is I got all of these blades. All of these blades that are for Cameo 1, 2, 3, Portrait 1, and 2, and Curio 1. So, I can use these blades for my Cameo 1, 2, and 3 because I have a 1, I have a 2, and I have two 3s. Unfortunately, I don't have a Curio, nor do I have a Portrait 1 or 2. I have a Portrait 2. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these premium blades, 6 of these premium blades, okay? And I see that the person got them on clearance. Probably when either look like Joann's, I think he had a sale, or Michael's, whichever one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 premium blades, which she got on clearance for $10.97. And then I have 1, 2, 3 ratchet blades, which are good for Cameo 1, 2, and 3, Portrait 1 and 2, or the Curio 1. So, again, I do like using the ratchet blades. A lot of people don't. But this was a blessing. And believe it or not, these 3 were on clearance for $6.97 each. These 6 were on clearance for $10.97 each. I got all of these for $45. $45. No, this one I got for $51. I have another set, I think, of maybe 10 more blades for $45. So even though I'm investing probably $100, like, there's no way that I could have beat that deal. And this particular lady, she didn't even have shipping listing. And I have found that 99.9% of the time, if someone has something listed in another state and I ask them, if I pay for the shipping, would they ship it to me? And I almost always have gotten a yes. So this was a great deal. So that was $51 including shipping. And I ordered these on Friday and I got them yesterday. So yeah. So don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. Now I haven't had much success on like OfferUp or Nextdoor or anything like that. But do not sleep on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, until next time, this is Miss V saying